Welcome back to another video of ScienceJet. We know it can be really frustrating when you feel like you're always the one putting in all the effort and never getting anything back. You might start to wonder if that person even cares about you at all. According to relationship experts, fighting for someone's attention is usually only going to backfire and to make them want to distance themselves from you. But what if I told you that there was a much better way to deal with this situation? In fact, if you follow the 6 steps and advice that I am going to outline in this video, not only will you get their attention, but they will also start chasing you. Step 1. Stop chasing them. The first step that you need to take is to stop chasing the person that you want to attract. This means that you need to stop trying to be around them all the time. Stop texting them constantly and stop doing things that they want to do just so that you can be close to them. You need to give them some space and let them come to you. Step 2. Take responsibility for your emotions. When we like someone, we often put our happiness in their hands. We think that they are responsible for making us feel good and that if they don't give us the attention that we want, then we will be unhappy. This is not true. You are responsible for your own happiness and you need to take control of your emotions. Step 3. Show that you're interested without being needy. It is important to show the person you like that you're interested in them, but you need to do it in a way that doesn't make you seem needy or desperate. Here's how to do it correctly. Show them that you are there when they really need you. Make them trust you by being honest with them. Be supportive without smothering them. Step 4. Become the best version of yourself. This is a big step that you need to take. If you want to make someone want you more, you need to become the best version of yourself that you can be. This doesn't mean that you need to change who you are. It just means that you need to strive to be the best that you can be. Step 5. Never take things personally. I know, feeling like you're being ignored can be hurtful. But you need to remember that it might not be personal. There could be a million reasons why the person is ignoring you. And none of them has anything to do with you. Step 6. Show them that you are wanted by others. One of the best ways to make someone want you more is to show them that you aren't wanted by others. This might sound counterintuitive, but it works. When someone sees that other people are interested in you, they will be more likely to want you as well. This is a proven step because when people feel like they are competing for your attention, they will be more likely to want you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for psychology content.